Assalamu alaikum, dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Muhammad Emdadul Haque, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, this is to inform you that today we are going to start the class for annual examination. Today I will take a math class of nursery and our today's topic is write in number from 50 to 100. This is our today's topic. Let us start. Dear students, in the half yearly syllabus you have learned from 1 up to 50. So, you know how to write 50. To write 50, you have to write 0 in ones place and 5 in tens place. After 50, the number is 51. Let us write 51. To write 51, 1 we have to write is in ones position and 5 we have to write in tens position. Then next number is 52. To write 52 we have to write 2 in ones position and 5 in tens position. Now 53. To write 53 we have to write 3 in ones position, 5 in tens position. Then 54. To write 54 we have to write 4 in ones position and 5 in tens position. Then 55. To write 55 we have to write 5 in ones position and 5 in tens position. Then 56. To write 56 we have to write 6 in ones position and 5 in tens position. Then 57. To write 57, 7 we have to write in ones position, 5 we have to write in tens position. Then 58. To write 58 we have to write 8 in ones position and 5 in tens position. Then we have to write 59. To write 59 we have to write 9 in ones position and 5 in tens position. Dear students, observe that after 50, here we are writing 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58 and 59. To write this, just we are changing the ones position. If it is 51, we are writing 1 is in ones position. If it is 52, we are writing 2 in ones position. If it is 53, then 3 is in ones position. It means that just we will change the ones position every time. After 59, next number is 60. So let us write 60. To write 60, we have to write 0 in ones position and 6 in tens position. And we have learned a technique here. Just ones position will be changed. If it is 1, ones position will be 1. If it is 2, ones position will be 2. If it is 3, ones position will be 3. If it is 4, ones position will be 4. If it is 5, ones position will be 5. So, if it is 6, ones position will be 6. If it is 7, ones position will be 7. If it is 8, ones position will be 8. If it is 9, ones position will be 9. And always tens position remains same. Tens position always remains same. So we can write using this technique. The students, observe again, only the ones position will be changed. If it is 1, 61, 1 is in ones position, 62, 2 is in ones position, 63, 3 is in ones position, 64, 4 is in ones position, 65, 5 is in ones position, 66, 6 is in ones position, 67, 7 is in ones position, 68, 8 is in ones position. and 69, 9 is in ones position, and in tens position always remain same. Then after 69 our next number is 70. To write 70 we have to write 0 is in ones position and 7 is in tens position. Now after 70 we have to write 71. To write 71 tens position remains same. In all the case tens position always remains same, so we can write tens position at first also. Now if it is 1 we will write 1 in ones position, if it is 2 we will write 2 in ones position, if it is 3 then we will write 3 is in ones position, if it is 4 then we will write 4 is in ones position, if it is 5 we will write 5 is in ones position, if it is 6 then we will write 6 is in ones position, if it is 7 we have to write 7 is in ones position, if it is 8 we have to write 8 is in ones position, if it is 9 we have to write 9 is in ones position. Dear students, you can write some numbers in using digits in this way, applying the technique. When you will write 50 to 59, just one position will be changed, just change the ones position, tens position will remain same. In every case you can use the technique. Dear students, I have given you some HW to write from 80 to 100. Let us see how can you write 80 to 100. As here is 80, you have to write 8 is in tens position and 1 is in 0 is in ones position. 0 is in ones position. Then to write 81 you have to write 1 in ones position and tens position remains same. In this way you will write up to 89, and after 89 you have to write 90. To write 90 you have to write 0 is in ones position and 9 is in tens position. After 90 you will get 91. To write 91 you have to write 1 is in ones position, 9 is in tens position. In this way you can write up to 99, up to 99. But I have shown here another position, that is 100, that is 100 position. To write 100 you have to write 1 in 100 position and you have to write 0 in tens position and 0 in ones position, that will be 100. In this way you will write all these numbers in your HW copy. This is your first HW for annual examination. Dear students, remember that HW is very important for you, as your CT marks and diary marks in annual exam will be given based on your HW. My dear students, I hope all of you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz.